Alright, on today's episode of Steve-O's Reviews and How-Tos, I've got these super tasty peaches and I'm trying to figure out how to get off the skin in an easy way without losing a whole bunch of it and it taking a long time. So what I do is basically I get this tap water nice and hot. I put the peach in kind of to measure and I put hot water in here. That's about a good amount. I'm going to take the peach back out. And then I'm going to take this water and toss it in the microwave. The water is white because there's air in it because I live in the country and I'm on a well. See, look, it cleared right up. So I toss that water in here for 3 minutes. Alright, next step is cut the peach. So just cut it till you feel the pit and go all the way around. And now we're ready to toss it in the water. We put it in the water for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then we throw it under cold running water to cool it off, and then the skin peels right off. Super easy, and we don't lose any of the edible part of the peach. Alright, be careful. This is super duper hot water. We're gonna bring it over here. I'm going to stab the peach to put it in so it doesn't plop and put a bunch of burning water on me. Now we're going to set our timer. Now we're ready. We're going to stab the peach with the fork to get it out. We're going to run it under cold water very briefly. Fair enough. Now we're going to start from the bottom end right here. And look at how that just peels right off. Ta-da. Split it. And then get the pit out. And there you have it.